The global Redmi 17 5G will be the successor to the Redmi 15 5G, as Redmi is skipping the number 16 just like Xiaomi did last year. Now, the Redmi 17 5G has been certified for sale in Malaysia by Serum and Taiwan by NCC. Redmi 17 5G, carrying the model number 26062RN92G. The phone will pack a 7500 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging. Coming back to the NCC listing, the Redmi 17 5G will be equipped with connectivity features such as 5G, 4G LTE, VoLTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. The certification further points to an IP64 rated design for protection against dust and water. While Redmi is yet to announce an official launch date, these certifications suggest that the Redmi 17 5G could make its global debut in the near future. Redmi has already confirmed that the Chinese Note 17 family is coming in July. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.